Hi everyone, so what's in for today? How long? Yes, how long will creativity last? You're using it up, right? So don't you run out of ideas? Where do they come from? Okay, let me ask you, when was the last time you installed an app in your smartphone, or you brought something for your household to get your domestic chores much easier and save you time? Well, these are all creative solutions by someone, just like how this little spiky thing is giving me ideas to draw. Yeah, here I'm going to use the Uniball black, and I've done a light sketch. It's an hourglass. Let's do that. And that's the base. It's closest there. It's on another base. If you can see, I'm taking these three sentences, these lines, as my guide, starting from the first line here and taking on the middle of the third line, and then ending up again on the first line, and it's on a base. So I'm going to take the guide of this line, this sentence over here, and it's on the base. It's on a platform. And the top part. Okay, that's the base done. Now let me put our characters. Yeah, I'm going to use red acrylics here. I'm going to make it a little loose, using the dropper. Make it a little loose. Yeah, so now I'm going to use my the top of my chapstick, and let me try it here. This is what I'm trying to get. Something like this. Okay, let me try. Okay, I'll make one here, just trying to squeeze one here. Give the spikes. Okay, now the second part down here, a few only, and wipe it off. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's full over there. Okay, now let me get the base. That's on the base. I'm writing 2020. Do you see that four lines? They are my guides to get the numbers in the same line and same shape. So sorry, the size. "2020." We never saw this coming. Okay, now you have the man who's gonna look up on this hourglass. With his hand behind, just looking into how long. Yep. And he's looking onto this. Yes. That may color. I think this needs some 2020 needs some darkness. Using pencil over here. I'll go on the base also. Yeah. And now for the outside. Blue. Get this on. Blue color. This is watercolors. What I use for the character is red acrylics. Here it's watercolors. Blue is watercolors. It looks more darker right now. Once I leave it to dry, it will become lighter. So creativity never gets used up. The more you use, the more you have it. I hope you enjoy my lockdown series. Give me your suggestions and feedbacks. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.